Kuan from Midnight Tech, and happy Chinese New Year of 2022. We are at yet another episode of our tech review, but this time it's more on what are tech accessories that I'll be reviewing today. So recently we're going back to the office, and I've found that my laptop bag, the strap has sort of chipped, so it's time to look for a new replacement. I was thinking instead of going for bags, I was looking for something more minimalistic. So I went on Pinterest to look at some laptop sleeves, and the Bellroy Work Folio or the Tech Folio caught my eye. But the thing is, couldn't find the Tech Folio anymore on their website. So I went to the website and I found the Work Folio instead. Ordered, and so it's shipping from Australia. So it took about, I think it was tracking for 10 days. It was the longest wait ever. Something that, you know, those online shoppings from Lazada, I don't usually look when I get this delivered. But for this package, it was a very, very long wait for me, agonizing. I was really looking forward to receive it. Aside from the Work Folio, I got a tech pouch so that I can put my charging adapters if I'm not going to the office. And so when it's arrived, I received this Work Folio. Okay, so it's for me to put my work device, Surface Pro 7. So this is how it looks like inside. You'll see how I organize my items inside the Work Folio later. And at the same time, I also got a tech pouch. So this is not the full tech pouch, but this is the tech pouch, the smaller version one, for me to put charging adapters and so on. If I need to use the charger, you know, if I'm not in the office, for me to use the Surface dock. Once you've unboxed, the Work Folio looks like this. There's places for name cards, and you have all these compartments. It even comes with a nice notebook, which I didn't use, so I've kept it aside. This is for you to put your devices. And this is how the tech pouch looks like inside. So when I'm going to the office, I actually just use this Work Folio because there's Surface docks at the office setup, so I don't have to bring the adapter and stuff. And you can see there's places for me to put name cards. The top pocket is for me to put other contacts names cards. And I'm inserting my earphones here. And of course, because the mouse is a Surface Arc, so it's flat, so it's good for these pockets. It fits well, and that's the HDMI dongle with a USB-C connector, and that's the Surface Pen. I wanted to insert it in the pocket, so because it doesn't really fit well into the main compartment. But as you can see with the Surface keypad and the Surface device, it fits nicely into this laptop compartment. The left hand side, that's where I put some documents if you want, and also finish with a physical pen. So I've recently traveled home for Chinese New Year, and I'm keeping some of, and I'm not putting the Surface into the Work Folio, so I've just put this inside my travel bag. And this is the setup. I'm putting my Surface brick together with these plugs, my phone charger as well, the cables, USB-C cables again, the mouse, and also I'm inserting the Surface Pen into this secret loop for the pen. It's quite tough to zip up, but this will do for a while. And if the moving around, you can also use the tag pouch for holidays. So a recent staycation I went to, I didn't carry my Surface with me, just an iPad. So I brought this is how I fit in the iPad chargers, my phone charger, and a smartwatch charger as well. So I've been actually using this setup. I go back to the office once a week now, and I've been using this for about maybe 6 to 8 times, once or twice to off-site meetings without needing to charge my phone. So maybe about 3 to 4 hours type of meeting without needing to carry the tag pouch. Otherwise, I'll be using the work folio to go to the office, which is equipped with a Surface dock, so I don't have to worry about carrying adapters. And I would say that I used to carry a sling bag and also a laptop bag, and I ensure that the setup leaves my hands free, so I can press a lift, buy coffee, and so on. So with this setup, you'll be carrying this work folio, something like that maybe, or like that. It's still very difficult for you to stop by and buy coffee before you go to the office, stuff like that, right? So it's not as convenient, but still, it's a minimalist, looks really nice, and my handbag is also about this color. They are nearly the same, so very matchy, something that very fulfilling for me. So all in all, quite happy with this purchase. I actually went crazy after these two purchases. I got it from, I got more Bellroy stuff from Planet Traveller website. I actually went and bought a flight bag as if I'm going to travel like the next day or travel soon, but that's really not the case. I also went and bought another wallet, a Bellroy coin pouch. And after that, I went to get the city pouch. Yeah, it's called the city pouch. So I realized that you don't necessarily need to order all of these things from the Bellroy website. You can also go to the Planet Traveller online shopping to order these stuff. And if you want to really have a look and feel, you can also, the place that I dropped by is actually the Planet Traveller in the Gardens Mall. I think if you really are the type who cannot wait for the online shipment, if Mid Valley or Pavilion is nearby you, you can just go to Planet Traveller and see what they have in stock. Also, it's good for you to be able to look and feel and sort of imagine what you want to put inside all this, your pouch, wallet, folio, and everything else. I also noticed in the Planet Traveller at the Gardens Mall, I think it was sometime in December, they actually carry the tag folio that I originally wanted, but I have already ordered and received this, so I didn't end up buying the tag folio, of course. The arrangement in the tag folio is slightly different, so if you're more, if you prefer that kind of organization, I think it's worthwhile to go and check it out, because even though it's an older model than the work folio, if it's something that you like, I think it's well worth the purchase. So other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.